Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, most beneficent, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Nadeem Mohani, course instructor for the course of Pharmacognosy Theory 4. Code of this course is PCN 508. This is a free credit hour course, so you have to take 3-hour classes per week throughout whole semester normally. Dear student, as you are aware of the current health situation due to pandemic COVID-19, Administration of Sarhad University of Science and Information Technology decided to start your classes online to save your precious time. This theory class is scheduled on Wednesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. till 3 p.m. every week. These classes will be conducted on Google Meet. I will upload teaching material prior to your on your student portal. Go through it and make points you want to clarify during the live classes. As you know that this method of teaching is new for you, so do not panic if you miss your class due to some reasons like internet connectivity, power supply or any other reason. Faculty members and student administrations are here to solve those issues. This course is comprised of total 8 chapters. First one is volatile oils. Volatile oils are phytochemicals obtained from the sap and tissues of certain plants. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance, active constituents, different methods to collect volatile oil, their chemistry and its classification. We can also classify volatile oils on different bases. In this chapter, we will learn chemical classification in detail as given in your syllabus. Second chapter is on resins. These are solids or semi-solids plant exudates having remarkable pharmacological properties. In this chapter we are going to learn classification, active constituents and pharmacological uses of resins obtained from plants that are included in your syllabus. Third chapter will be on tannins. The tannins are complex organic non-nitrogenous derivatives obtained from plant sources, and this chapter includes basic classification, biosynthesis, extraction methods and identification tests of tannins obtained from different plant sources which are included in your syllabus. Fourth chapter is on natural toxicants. Some plants have the capacity to naturally produce compounds that are toxic to humans when consumed. In this chapter we will learn about the nature of toxins produced by higher plants, lower plants and toxins produced by some fungi and bacteria. This chapter also includes their pharmacognostic features as well as their pharmacological actions, treatment, side effects, contraindications and control method of some plant toxins are also included in this chapter. The fifth chapter is on nutraceuticals and cosmeceuticals. Nowadays, these substances obtained from natural sources, replacing drugs and substances of synthetic origin. In this chapter, we will learn about how natural source can be useful for human health. Sixth chapter is about the phytochemicals used against cancer. This will also include plants which have antibiotic, anti-AIDS and immunostimulants like effects. Seventh and eighth chapter is about the clinical pharmacognosy. In this we learn how plant can be used to treat different diseases. Some plants are used traditionally for cure. Specific disease or disorders of human beings can be treated by using certain plants. In this chapter we will also learn about the dosage of herbal medicines. Some interaction will also learn as herbs can produce some harmful effects while using along with allopathic medicines. Eighth chapter is about the clinical use of herbs and herbal medicines. This will specific disorders, for certain diseases different plants are used for specific diseases. Just mentioning in that slide, for diabetes mellitus we use Gymnema sylvestre, Nelia azadirachta, Mordica charentia, Syzygium dubulana and all those plants. This will conclude our syllabus for the 6th semester. It is requested that follow the instructions while taking online classes. one thing more, that you will strictly follow the SOPs during the pandemic. Stay at home and stay safe.